front door right here. To the left is this mirror wall. Got a lot of brown wood tones here. As we come into the bathroom, we have a tub that is risen. And then actually you have to watch your step here before you go up, because I kind of tripped before. Not a jacuzzi, but it's a very deep tub. Right here we have our vanity station, kind of the green frosted glass. And again, we have Balmain, however you say it. Amenities. Very low sink. We have this mirror right here. And in this box right here, we have different other amenities like a comb. Also, we have a toothbrush. Then let's see what we have here. Is this the water closet? No, it's the shower right here. Pretty tall shower. We have the same amenities right there. Adjustable shower head, so this must be the water closet. And then we have the smart bidet toilet. We got our toilet paper that's in a fancy fabric cloth. And then we're gonna exit out of here. You can see that wall corridor of mirrors again. That come right here, and then we have a closet, full wooden panel, and it's kind of just for the robes, it seems. We also have slippers down there, but yes, we do have 2 robes. I guess you can find some hangers and put some other stuff there if it's more convenient for you. So then we'll turn around and look into the room. Got a big wall of windows, as you see. We have a raised bed, a floating bed as you call it. And then we have this wall of like mirrors also. It is wooden panels and some pictures. Reminds me of a library or like a dojo or something like that. This is our bed area. And we have some, I guess, custom shelves and stuff right here. Room service. We have a phone. And then we have some more styling right here. We have a couch and a table. Let's see if this is a sleeper couch. It is not, but I'm sure someone could sleep on there if they really wanted to. This is actually a sleeper couch. Like that, however it works, who knows? Wherever you get the linen from, I guess you just ask. We have a TV right here, more of that wooden accents. And then if we continue to walk, we have another section over here. This is gonna be our bar. And then we also have our main closet right here. There's a safe, shoehorn, iron. So I guess that means there might be a mini fridge right here. Let's check that out. Mini fridge, let's see if it's completely empty for us. They do have some stuff in there that'll be charged to your room if you do consume. Let's see if there's anything fancy in these sides. Glasses, and then cups for the coffee, which are right there. Pringles and other mini bar stuff, the prices, water bottles. We have some wine. And then here is our coffee pot, ice pot. And then this closet is closed by these wooden doors. And yeah, this is the room. I believe this is a deluxe room, they call it. Nice upgrade. And then they said it's a mountain view, and I think that is Seoul Tower over there. And here is the view during the daytime. It is snowing, and then I think we have Itaewon over there. But this is the room, folks. We have the front door right here. We'll turn to our left. And then we have a bathroom, much smaller than the deluxe corner room. No tub. We do have the bidet. And right here, the sink is much higher. We like that. I don't have to bend down. And we kind of see through into the bedroom right there. Still, we have Balmain, amenities. Then we come around, and then we have the shower. I believe it's a bigger head for sure. Different flooring. We have the amenities right there, but small but functional bathroom. And then straight out here, we have the closet right here. Sliding door. We do have the robes in here too. Slippers as well. Then we come into the room, and then right here we have a different type of machine for our hot water rather than a kettle. We still have an espresso machine, and I believe down here might be a mini fridge. We have our cups, ice bucket, and then we have our mini fridge down here. And it looks like it has some of the same stuff that you pay for if you do want that. And then we're gonna get up. And then here's the room. Really big windows, lots of view of the city. We had the Seoul Tower view before. We have kind of the same type bed, maybe a little higher, probably the same. We have the side desks or side tables. TV right there. We have another sleeper style couch. We have a round table. Up top, you do have some mirrors that might make the space look a little bigger, a little brighter. Mirror right there. And I love these big windows. I like a city view. I could probably stare out of this window for hours. We have the ice skating right down there. And yeah, and we're gonna turn back around to the room, and this is what we got, folks. We got the Grand Hyatt Seoul. Bada bing, bada boom.